What are aggravated DUI/OWI charges in Michigan? If you've been charged with an OWI in Michigan and heard the word aggravated, you may be wondering exactly what that means and how serious your situation truly is. Michigan law does not actually use aggravated OWI as a formal offense label, but certain facts surrounding your case can dramatically increase the penalties you face under MCL 257.625. Those aggravating facts include a high blood alcohol concentration, a prior OWI conviction, a minor passenger in the vehicle, or a crash that caused serious injury or death. Michigan drunk driving charges are structured in distinct tiers, and the tier that applies to your case depends entirely on what the prosecutor can prove in court. At the lowest tier, OWVI, operating while visibly impaired, is a misdemeanor based on observable impairment rather than a specific BAC number. Standard OWI is charged when there is impairment evidence or a BAC of 0.08% or higher for drivers who are 21 or older, and it is a misdemeanor for a first or second offense. When a driver's BAC reaches 0.17% or higher, Michigan's high BAC OWI law applies, commonly known as the superdrunk law, which carries penalties well beyond a standard first offense OBIE. A third qualifying OWI offense in a lifetime can be charged as a felony in Michigan, regardless of the specific circumstances of each individual case. Having a passenger under the age of 16 in the vehicle during an OWI stop can lead to felony-level charges, particularly when the driver also has a prior qualifying conviction on their record. Michigan's any amount law adds another layer of risk by prohibiting driving with any measurable amount of a Schedule I controlled substance or cocaine in the body, even without visible impairment. Because each tier of OWI charges requires the prosecution to prove specific legal elements, identifying exactly how your charge is categorized is a critical first step in building any defense. Attorney Paul J. Tafelski has been representing people accused of drunk driving offenses across Oakland County, from first-time stops to serious felony cases. The law firm Michigan Defense Law defends drivers facing OWI charges and the aggravating circumstances that can raise the stakes from a misdemeanor to a felony. Every detail of the prosecution's case, from the BAC test to the traffic stop itself, can be examined to determine whether the charges against you are properly categorized and legally justified. Call Michigan Defense Law at 248-451-2200, located at 2525 S Telegraph RD Suite 100, Bloomfield Hills, Michigan 48302, to schedule a consultation and review your defense options today.